Hello and welcome. This is Jerry Chan from Computer Coach NG. Today I am going to show you how to check for duplicate values in Excel. Now I have a list of reg numbers in this column K. I want to check and make sure there is no duplicate. To check for duplicate values in this particular column, all I need to do is on the home menu, navigate down to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules and click on duplicate. When the duplicate value dialog box appears, go to highlight values with use a red border. Now the red border here tells me that whenever the red border appears on that column, it tells me that I should check there is a duplicate. Now let's try and see what happens. For now, all the numbers here are unique. So the moment I try changing a value, let's say 014 to 004, it flashes me with this red value. You see, I have a duplicate here, this and this, on column K7 and also cell K17. Those values are duplicates. So the computer now tells me, hey, look, there's a duplicate there. Then when I revert it back to 021, you see, it reverts back to normal. All the colors are now normalized. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, why not click the like button or subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.